Okay.
Unboxing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is if you're new here, this is Jackie Reviews, and we have a new product to review. Okay, this is what the package. Oh, okay. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, very, very weighty, hefty box. Actually, it is really cute packaging. This is the Akko 3108 V2 World Tour Tokyo.
That is nice packaging.
Well, this was expensive, wasn't it? So, like, it's
This is Jackie's Battle Station keyboard.
okay, so they've got a cover to protect your keys. Wow. Yeah, this keyboard's heavy. Okay. Knife box. Okay, when we looked at this online, I don't think I knew this kanji yet, but that's the kanji for Sakura. Okay. Is this stocky or glocky? Comment down below. Do you remember what these lights are supposed to do?
Probably the different locks, right? Like scroll lock.
I don't know, but this is so cute. I love... So we have two little Sakura keys. We have the Sakura kanji and the space bar with the Japan, like Mount Fuji and the Sakura.
I believe this is also wireless, so these lights might talk about
really?
the connection status.
And then you can only see it from like the front angle. There's a little torii gate. Alright, so this has been Jackie Reviews. Don't forget to smash that like, and I'll be back next week.